Hello friends, welcome to edupediaworld.com. This is your video lecturer Vomika Soni. In the current video lecture, I will explain about the experiments that will make you understand how water moves through xylem and how is the movement of food done through phloem. I will demonstrate two experiments to show water movement through xylem and movement of food through phloem. See, the aim of experiment 1 is to demonstrate the movement of water through xylem strand. Now, what are the requirements? The requirements are we have to take woody plants in a garden and we have to take a knife. Then the procedure is that we have to select 2 woody plants in the garden, and in plant A we have to remove 3 to 4 centimeter long outer ring. As you can see in this image, the 3 to 4 centimeter long outer ring of stem phloem, keeping the central part intact. Okay, now you have to label this plant as plant A. The next is that in plant B, you have to remove equal length of central part, that is xylem. See, such type of removal you have to do from plant B, and you have to keep the peripheral part intact. Okay, now you have done this in plant A and you have removed the central part in plant B. Now what next you have to do? We have to water the plant regularly. After 2 days, what you will observe? After 2 days, we will observe that plant A leaves remain turgid and they remain normal. This was plant A. See the leaves? They are normal and they are turgid. But in case of plant B, the leaves wilt and droop down. The experiment shows that water moves upward through xylem. Now the aim of the next experiment is to show that food from the leaf is conducted downward through the phloem. The requirement of this experiment are you need a healthy potted plant and you need a knife. Then what we have to do? We have to cut the ring around the stem of a healthy potted plant, and the cut should not be very deep, because if it is deep then it may harm the xylem. Next, we have to keep the plant in sunlight undisturbed for a few weeks, and after a few weeks what we observe? We observe that the stem is swollen with accumulated food. See in this image, you can see the swollen stem, as this swelling is created because of the accumulation of food. Okay, and what is the explanation behind it? See, we have observed that the part of the stem above the ring has grown in diameter and the stem below has stopped growing and may even die when the stored food of the lower part is exhausted. The experiment proves that the food material is conducted through phloem. So these were the 2 experiments that explained how water is moved with the help of xylem and how the food material is conducted with the help of phloem. This was all for today's video lecture. Hope you have enjoyed this video lecture and understood the concept properly. Keep watching to the videos of edupediaworld.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day ahead.